In today's video, we're diving into the world of digital accessibility. While the digital age has made information more accessible for many, it can also create new barriers for people with disabilities. Digital accessibility is all about ensuring that individuals with disabilities can access and use digital content, such as websites, phone apps, and more. Unfortunately, a lot of technology is designed with the average user in mind, overlooking the needs of individuals with disabilities. A significant proportion of your potential clients and customers will have issues with sight, hearing, mobility, or other needs, and your website can either cater to their needs or put them off. Now let's take a look at some eye-opening statistics. Did you know that 25% of adults in the US have some form of disability? That's a significant portion of the population that we need to consider when designing our digital platforms. Additionally, 33% of people have some visual impairment, and 5% have significant hearing loss. These numbers highlight the importance of making our online content accessible for everyone. Let's look at how we can make online content more accessible for individuals with these visual impairments. By implementing alt-text descriptions for images, we can ensure that individuals with visual impairments can understand the content even if they can't see the images themselves. Similarly, providing audio descriptions for videos allows them to follow along and engage with the content. Lastly, using proper color contrast helps individuals with visual impairments differentiate between different elements on a web page. Some people struggle to read text when the writing and background aren't sufficiently different. Now let's shift our focus to people with hearing impairments. How can we make our online content accessible for them? The answer lies in providing closed captions or transcripts for videos. This way, individuals with hearing impairments can read along and understand the content. Additionally, it's important to ensure that audio content is accompanied by visual cues or sign language interpretation. Now let's talk about the needs of individuals with motor disabilities. Keyboard navigation can greatly enhance accessibility. If you aren't sure about this, try navigating your website without a mouse or touchscreen. If you can't use it with the tab and return keys, then it is probably hard to navigate. Some people may not have easy use of a mouse pointer, so small links and buttons can be harder to click on. Keep your buttons large and obvious. Now let's discuss cognitive differences, such as dyslexia or ADHD, and how we can make our digital content more accessible for individuals with different ways of thinking and seeing the world. Simplicity in design plays a significant role in ensuring accessibility for this group. By using plain language, clear instructions, and intuitive navigation, we can make our digital content more inclusive. Lastly, let's not forget about older adults and their needs in the digital realm. While it's tempting for graphic designers to get creative with the design, we need to ensure that our online content remains user-friendly for everyone. Stick to standard design features that people are familiar with. For example, avoid removing underlines on links or using different colors for visited links. These seemingly small adjustments can make a big difference in helping older adults navigate through digital spaces. I hope you found this video helpful and insightful. If you know someone who might benefit from this information, please forward it to them. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more business startup coaching tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.